because it's very urgent and very important. Even within these 19 months that are left for this administration, can they actually have an urgent consultative meeting with critical role players in the education sector to save the parents the pain of this madness? I mean, get the professionals, the Secondary Schools Heads Association, the Kenya Primary Schools Heads Association, get the unions, get the Parents Association, get the faith-based leaders, kwa sababu kanisa has invested heavily in education. In fact, there is no way in this country would have moved forward in education without the church. Kanisa imeegeza kabisa kwa elimu. Ukiangalia shule zetu zote kubwa, nyingi zilianzishwa na kanisa. Tafadhali ninawaomba hawa ndugu zetu wako kwa serikali, kwa sababu mko hapo kwa hii miezi 19 iko mbele yetu. Si sasa muite hawa wote wasee wa kanisa, viongozi, professional leaders kwa room, wengine wawaeleze the pain and the challenges that the parents are facing. Can we solve this chaos that you have created in the education sector? Sababu sasa tunaendaje Singapore na ushenzi kama huu? Yeah. Alafu sasa ni story tu, yani kazi inashinda, tunaanza story. Ili tusahau yale iko hapa, tunaanza kuambia habari ya Singapore. You can't place children in school. The most basic thing on earth, you can't. You are not able to explain why you reduced the capitation. You can't explain. Watoto wale wa class 6, grade 6 are moved on. Their results are not out. They don't know what has happened.